Now children, let's write the cursive writing A to G, capital letters, okay, capital. So let's write the date, 14/7/21, okay. So now capital letter A will start from the third line and then go to the first line, come down to the third line and make a curve. We'll write it once again down. From the third line, go up to the first line, come down and make a curve. That's capital letter A. For B, start from the first line, come down to the third line and make two curves. Okay, that's B. Start from the first line, come down to the third line and make two curves. That's capital letter B. Now C. C, you write the curve like this, it's better, okay. From outside make the curve. That is better. So that's C. Then D, start from the first line, come to the third line, touch the third line, go up to the first line and make a curve. Once again, start from the first line, come to the third line, make a curve, touch the third line, go up and make a curve once again. Then E. So E, you have to make a curve from the second line and again make a curve at the third line. Okay, so start curve, touch the first line and then again make one more curve. That's E. Then F, start at the first line, make a curve like this and strike it. Small curve, strike it. F, first line, come down to the third line, then strike it. That's F, capital F. Then G, start from the third line, go up to the first line, make the curve, then come down to the fourth line and curve it up. Start from the third line, go up to the first line, curve it, then come down to the fourth line and curve it up. This is capital letter G. Now children, let us write the cursive writing on the whiteboard. So it's capital letters A to G. So you saw how to write A, go up and come down and make a curve. Just like writing capital A, okay. Just notice the curves, how it's made. B, start from top and then make it as B. Just notice how it is written, okay. See, how do you write B? Just see it carefully how the lines are moving and how the curves are moving. Okay. Then we'll write C. In your book it's written differently. We'll write like this so that there's no confusion. തെറ്റി പോവാതിരിക്കാനായിട്ട് C ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം. Okay. C. Then D. D, just make sure that when you make the curve, you should touch the line down. Okay. When you make D, it should touch down, then you go up and again make that curve. Okay. That's D. Then to write E, capital letter E, cursive writing, just notice how the curves are going. You take it, curve it in and out. So that's E. Then you have to write F. We'll write in the 4 line afterwards, okay? Just see how the curves are going. Now just see how the curves are going. See F, you have to write it like this and in between you have to strike it. F. Strike it. Okay. And G. So now we're going to write G. See how you write G. G, you have to touch the 4th line. താഴത്തെ ലൈനിൽ ടച്ച് ചെയ്യണം ജീൻ്റെ ആ curve. Should come down. Okay. So now we will write in the 4 line. Just notice children, capital letters are usually just in the first, second and third line. First 3 lines. Only G's and Y's and Z, all that goes down. Everything else is between the first, second and third line. Capital letters. Okay. See, we'll write A. Goes till the first line and you make that curve there. B. First, second, third line. C, first, second and third line. D is also between the first, second and third line. See how it touches the third line. Now we'll write E. Okay, we'll again draw the 4 lines. Draw the 4 lines. So we are going to draw the 4 lines. Third line, okay. Second and third line, okay. So now we'll write E. Again you see how the curves are made. See, you just make a curve like that. That's E. Okay, then F, you have to strike it. You have to make a curve there, you have to strike it. And G, just notice G, children. G should touch all the 4 lines. See, comes there and then goes down to 4 line and comes up. That's G. So that's capital letter A to G. Did you understand?